With each draw of air, oxygen sweeps through the nasal cavity and down the trachea. The translucent ribs reveal the lungs unfolding, their tissue glowing as particles of oxygen rush in. Inside, with every breath, the lungs unfurl like living sails. The ribs ease open, making space, while the diaphragm draws downward to pull air in. Oxygen lungs. With every breath, oxygen drifts in, each molecule a tiny spark of life. It glides down the trachea and into branching bronchi, past sweeping waves of cilia. Inside your lungs, billions of air sacs called alveoli open like tiny balloons with every breath. Their paper-thin walls press against a web of capillaries, bringing... In this rushing river of blood, red blood cells drift like tiny life rafts. Each carries hemoglobin, ready to collect oxygen. Here, a single O2 molecule approaches.
At the center of every beat, the human heart drives life forward. With each contraction, muscular walls squeeze oxygen-rich blood into the aorta. A wave of crimson light surges through.
Inside every vessel, red blood cells slip past each other like tiny crimson rafts. The glowing blue spheres are oxygen molecules. They latch onto hemoglobin within the cells, turning each disc a brilliant red. As the current narrates
for oxygen leaves its red chariot in the capillary, slipping through the vessel wall. It's drawn into the waiting muscle fiber, where mitochondria ignite and power every contraction. In the brain, the same
oxygen drifts through the bloodstream and slips quietly into the cell. Inside each mitochondrion, it pulls electrons down a chain of proteins, driving a flow of protons.
Every breath begins a journey. Oxygen floods the lungs, lighting tiny air sacs like stars. Carried by the heart, it surges through the arteries in glowing rivers. Each pulse reaches the fingertips.